Today I'm going to show you how to make $10,000 a month from Instagram without ever showing your face. So let's hop into my Mac and I'll show you the Instagram business model. So the Instagram business model, let's hop straight into it. First, who am I in the first place to talk about this stuff, okay? Do I know how to make $10,000 with Instagram? Yes, this is my page called Passionate Income. I grew it to 1 million followers and it's making between $10,000 to $30,000 a month at this point, and I'm looking to scale it. And I have a few more pages, but I shared this one the most, okay? So I'm the founder of this page. I started from zero. I didn't buy it. I grew it organically, didn't spend a single dollar on growing it. So that's why I'm talking about this right now. Okay, so why Instagram? Okay, why not Twitter, or why not LinkedIn, or why not YouTube? Okay, Instagram is the best platform for making cash. Why? Instagram could be monetized in many ways, way more than, let's say, Twitter or TikTok. Okay, you can make so much money from stories alone, which Twitter, TikTok, and other platforms don't really have, or if they do, like Snapchat, it's much harder to monetize. Okay, so you have stories and you can make so much money from stories alone. Okay, you can do shout outs to other Instagram accounts, which is also really well paid. So you basically promote someone's account on Instagram, okay, and you tag them in the caption, so you can make money like that. You can always have a link in the bio and drive traffic to it on autopilot. Okay, so just people, as they come through organic traffic, they see your link and they click on the link, and that link generates leads every single day on autopilot, and you don't need to do anything. Okay, what is the basic formula of making money on IG? Here it is. Okay, build a real following, step number one. It's only 3 steps, guys. Then drive that following to a place where you get paid for it. Could be another Instagram account, could be a brand which is paying you for every person that visits their site, could be your own digital product you sell, let's say an ebook or an e-course, something like that. Could be your own agency where you help other people in your niche to grow the following. Okay, whatever fits you, you just find a way to monetize. Okay, so step number one, you build a following. Step number two, you find a way to monetize. And step number three, you reinvest the money to scale. And how do you reinvest the money? Great question. Here we go. So number one, build a following. Instagram. So here up top, you can see that you can build Instagram theme page. You can build a personal brand. You can build an undercover personal brand. You can build a meme page. Anything that generates traffic on autopilot while you sleep. Okay, that's the main point. If you want to build a personal brand and spend time on making your own content, you can do that. But the video title is without showing your face. Okay, so if you don't want to show your face, you can either have an undercover personal brand where you kind of show yourself, but you don't show your face. Okay, or you can just have an Instagram theme page, something like Passionate Income. You can also have a meme page, plenty of those. Okay, and they're making bank. Then monetization, so you make cash. Okay, that's very important. So you can do affiliate marketing, selling shoutouts, brand deals, SMMA, which is social media marketing agency, and you can sell your own product. And then what do is you reinvest the money. You can't see it here, but it says reinvest. Okay, so using other pages in your niche to scale your business with the same product or service. So first you build a following, then you monetize it. You find a winner product, okay, and you already know how to monetize it, so you reinvest the money into very similar pages like yours, and they promote you for a significant amount of money you actually make and take home. So you only pay them a percentage of what you actually make. Okay, so why this works? Because it's simple. Okay, all other businesses are spending millions to advertise their product because they want to reach an audience. And this is the advantage of a media business. And media business can be a podcast, media business can be CNBC, media business can be Bloomberg News. Any media business works like that, where they actually gain like the audience for free. Think about Joe Rogan, right? He doesn't need to invest into marketing. He gets people coming to his podcast because people share that podcast around. Okay, I hope that makes sense. Okay, now the thing is, you can build an audience for free. So of course you can invest some money and grow the audience very quickly, okay, and get a head start and start making money earlier. But if you don't have money, it will take more time, it will take more grind, it will take more like volume. But guess what? You can build an audience for free, and that's how all the influencers do it, right? They don't pay for their audience. They get like people to come to them, okay? So insane, right? But what happens when you do that? You eliminate the biggest cost in every single business, client acquisition. So if you look at any business, usually like if it's an online business, a startup, whatever, if it's online, usually they spend so much money on Facebook ads, on influencer marketing, on YouTube ads, Google SEO, etc. And all of that, basically, in 2 words, is client acquisition. Media business has its advantages because you don't have that cost, okay? So basically, other businesses are spending like 35%, 50% of their revenue on marketing. You don't have that, okay? You built it for free. I hope that makes sense. This way, you can sell anything as long as the product is good and you already have the audience right there with no cost to you, okay? So where to reinvest the money? We already have the audience for free, right? Right? A lot of people skip this crucial step and end up not scaling their business 10x with a little bit of work. So let's say if you're making $3,000 to $5,000 with your page without showing your face. That sounds incredible, right? $3,000 to $5,000 without showing your face, just uploading 3 to 6 videos a day on Instagram. Yes, that's absolutely amazing, but did you know that you can basically 10x your profits if you do it the right way? You just need to reinvest the money. So the goal is to sell X product or X service. Could even be an affiliate marketing deal or a brand deal, whatever, just something you promote. And then when you get really good at it, you can use similar pages in your niche to promote the same product or service on their audience for a crazy return, okay? Let's say you write an ebook, scale it to $10,000 a month with your page, and then you nail the copy, you nail the ad, you nail the website. Congratulations, you're making $10,000 a month. That's absolutely amazing, and these numbers are not from anywhere. I've sold ebooks. I know how this works. I know these numbers are possible, okay? So what you do now is you reach out to 50 to 100 pages exactly like yours, exactly in the same niche, and you invest that $10,000 you made last month into advertising. Ooh, a bit scary, right? Oh, spending $10,000 on advertising? Yeah, that's how every single business feels, okay? So you reinvest that money you made last month from your ebook, and guess what? You will make 50 to 100K in no time. Let me tell you that. Yes, this is possible, okay? This is, if you take a look very, very closely on every single Instagram page, there's either a page selling something like that, where they make that amount of money, or you see a person who bought a promotion on that page to promote him. Okay, I hope that makes sense, guys, because I'm just giving you gold out there and a blueprint of how you can actually make money. So the hard thing is to nail it on your page, okay? But as soon as you do, you can go straight to the moon, okay? As soon as you nailed it on your page, because your page is kind of like a test phase, right? You created a product, you created an ebook, you try to scale it, and you see the website only has like 0.5% conversion rate. What you do is you work on a website, okay, now you get to 3% or 4% conversion rate. That's great, you got the website perfectly, but now you see that like you have 100,000 followers, but only 1,000 people visits a month. That's not a lot of people, right? Because if you have a 3% conversion rate, that's 30 people who bought your ebook. That's great, but you would have to sell that ebook for a lot of money, okay? So what you do then is you find a winning promotion, okay? How do you find a winning promotion? Very simple. You test so many different ad creatives until you find one. So you know the website is already there, and then you move the other variable, which is advertising, and you have the audience for free, as I told you, so you can keep testing until you hit, okay? And when you hit, that's when you start scaling, okay? So in simple terms, it's a super simple way to make very big amount of money. but it's not easy. If you want to scale to $100,000 a month, you'll need to invest a lot of your time, okay? So business is basically very simple, but not easy. It's simple but hard, okay? It's very simple to understand. Everything I told you, like if you do it perfectly, and if you pull this off, like I can guarantee you can make 100K a month, like in no time, okay? But it's hard to pull it off because it requires a lot of work if you want to scale to 100K a month. If you're good with doing 5 to 10K a month, that's totally cool. You don't need to work like insane amount of hours or anything like that. But if you want to make 100K a month with this business model, you will need to put in the time, and the most important thing, you will need to put in your mind, okay? You need to work smart on this. So if you found this video valuable, leave a like so more people can be informed on how to make money online. Subscribe for future content like this, share with your friends, and see you in the next one.